Me sometimes as well. I think we all of us sometimes are. So we could do it, we could do it, we can do it, we can fight it, we can get anywhere. We could do it, we could do it, we could do it, we can fight it, we can get anything.
What do you think?
I hope you like my introductory singing. I do love that. I love singing. It was always my dream. So to become a singer. What was your dream, by the way? Did you have some unfulfilled dreams? I also want to be an artist. Oh, but whatever. Right now, I wanted to tell you about our next painting. But this time we're going to do painting about something that is very close to my heart. Something very special. Something what I know because I grow there. So I'm going to make painting for my parents so they could see and think about me.
Greenery. This is the beauty which I try to paint, and this is where I did come from, and I try to capture something. When I feel sad and down, I can look at the beauty, and that makes me better, feel better, something to lift me up, the roots to the nature. And just breathe.
So what am I trying to do here is trying to connect, trying to create something different, trying to find my own soul. I'm actually a bookkeeper. I'm still studying to be an accountant because I feel that it is sad not to achieve something. I'm just 2 exams from finishing. So I'm still doing that, but my heart is here on this canvas. This is my masterpiece. Woo-hoo, I'm so excited because I captured in it the beauty of the nature, the power of the nature,
the nature which I could see from my own eyes, with the vibrance, with the dimensions, with the shades. I felt I done something which I never done before, and I'm so excited and happy for that. So I'm calling it my masterpiece. I'm giving it to my parents as a show of love. So I'm going to add little loving touch to it. So let's finish it. I thought that I finished with this beautiful painting, but I got a feeling and I decided that something here needs to be added, and I'm going to add this beautiful deer, as I think that the deers are symbol of a power, of a majesty, of energy. Would you agree? I'm very happy how it did ended, and my parents been delighted as well. Thank you for watching and believing in me. See you in the next video.